I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of our patients at Deuk Spine Institute who's visiting us from Atlanta, Georgia. You came in because you've been having problems with your thoracic pain and your lower back pain. Tell us about that pain. How long have you had it and how did it affect your quality of life?
My pain started about 30 years ago in the lower back area from an accident. And about a year and 4 months ago, I noticed I had upper back pain so severe that I could not sit, could not sleep, affected my whole quality of life. And I sought to go do treatments with other things that just did not work. Putting stuff into my disc, that did not work at all.
That was a Disc FX, right? Or the Disc Seal?
Disc Seal.
Disc Seal. So you did the Disc Seal and it didn't work?
Did not work. They told me I would have to wait 3 months to 6 months to a year to get any pain relief. And I could not go on like that. The quality of my life, my kids, my wife, it really does affect your quality of life with your family. So I got online, I started looking, started YouTubing videos and come across Dr. Deuk and looked at other surgeries. I looked at these nasty fusions. I looked at how bad that could be for the body. I said, nope, that's not for me. I'm gonna come, and based upon the testimonials I've seen, based upon, it just all made sense to me to come down here and do this procedure. And today I am 100% pain-free 24 hours later. I cannot absolutely believe that I can get up and walk around and have no pain whatsoever in my thoracic. Thoracic pain is the worst pain that you can absolutely have. Dr. Deuk is the only one from what I've researched that can actually go in there in the thoracic area. I've been turned away by other doctors. They said, sorry, I cannot do anything for you. And I said, the pain is so bad, I cannot even sit. They said, well, you just have arthritis, you gotta do physical therapy. So I wasn't really willing to accept that. So after watching 50 videos, watching testimonials, watching the procedures, I actually have the app on my phone. So when I leave, going back home, or anytime I'm out, I'm gonna continue to watch the surgeries.
Fantastic. And we fixed your pain in your thoracic spine with just a Band-Aid size incision, 1/4 inch. You could see us in there with the laser, cleaning out the tear and removing the herniations. And then we did the same thing for the lumbar, your lower back.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
No more pain.
No more pain at all. I'm pain-free. And my wife, I have a wonderful wife. She has been praying for me. She's been by my side. She drove me down here. She says, I'm gonna drive you back. But when you're in pain, life is too short. Do not put it off any longer. Watch YouTube videos, do your research, and you'll know this is the right place for you to come. Immediate pain relief. Healing can happen once the discs are sealed and then regenerate back to quality that's unbelievable. So I am so happy that I came down here, and I may come back down later on in life if I injure myself again. I'm a lifelong patient of Dr. Deuk's.
Thank you very much. And I know you're very proud of your son.
Yes.
You want to tell us quickly about him?
So my son started playing baseball when he was 4 years old. We continued to work with him through the years, and we've had scouts watch him. He's a junior in high school, and I want to make sure I preserve his health, his back, make sure he is a good prospect to probably be drafted to play baseball. So I told him, I said, Michael, I said, we need no more squatting of weight, only leg presses, and told him I said, I'll probably get an MRI once a year to make sure there's no disc problems for his back. But my hope is for him to graduate, get drafted, and maybe play minor league ball down in Florida, because I absolutely want to live in Florida.
Absolutely. Come close to Deuk Spine.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. My pleasure. My pleasure. All right.